Hi, this is Steve from Steven Greenbaum Photography. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a layer mask into a normal layer, or equivalently, how to create a layer mask into a monochrome black and white image. I'm going to start by adding a layer mask to layer 0. And in this case, I just happen to be using the TK6 luminosity masking panel. So here I've created what's called the Lights 1 layer mask. And how I created the layer mask is not really important for the purposes of this video. Holding my finger on the Alt key, I'm displaying the layer mask, and you can see that it might be a good starting point for a black and white image. So I'm going to convert it to a normal layer, a standard layer. First, I create the new layer, and it happens to be selected. I then go to Image, Apply Image, and as my source, I pick layer 0, the original image, and the channel that I'm using is the layer mask. Okay, and the target is the same document, blending mode normal. So when I click OK, you can see that the layer mask is now converted to layer 1, and it appears in the layer 1 thumbnail. If I can close layer 0. So here you can see that layer 1 is now a standard monochrome layer, or in essence it could be a completely new image, which is a starting point for further edits. That's it.